We're here with the assistant coach of Hydel. First of all, big win. How are you feeling after grinding out this result today?
Very elated. I'm very elated. Believe me. I mean, to go down to 10 men and still come out with a victory, that showed very much character of my boys, and I'm very proud of them. Very happy with the win. Very happy.
Big match. An important match for possibly for second round implications. You guys had to come here in front of a hostile crowd. Speak to us about the challenges that was posed today in getting this result.
Yeah, I mean, the referee, I would say, he made some callous calls, but nonetheless, our boys still overcame that. As I said, going down to 10 men and still be able to win in this environment, that's a major achievement. I just wish to push on with this, continue the momentum, and go again.
You speak about callous calls. Starman, number 7, was given a red card. A second yellow. Speak to us about the card, the decision, and how are you feeling about him not being able to play the next match?
Yeah, I think it's disappointing him missing the next match, and the ref, he could have used his discretion. The force, it wasn't that much to be given a card. In Calabar's point of view, they did several. I mean, in terms of accumulation, the ref, in my opinion, was more lenient on them. But nonetheless, it happened. We overcame it, and I'm just very happy that my boys got the victory.
Going forward, you guys really managed to draw this group back. Putting yourselves in the driving seat to clinch that second place spot. What do you guys do going forward to just close out the zone and finish up successfully?
Yeah, so we just plan to keep the same intensity. We have 4 matches left. That's a maximum of 12 points. So most definitely we'll be aiming for that. Keep the boys grounded. Let's go over our heads and just keep going.
All right, coach. Good game again.
Bless.